What's up, everyone? If you're looking for the best camera drones on Amazon in 2026, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner, a travel vlogger, or someone who wants cinematic 8K aerial shots, I've picked the top 5 drones that give you the best value, features, and flight performance this year. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump straight into the list. Number 1. Holystone HS900 Drone. Best overall pick. The Holystone HS900 is a lightweight 249-gram FAA-compliant drone featuring 8K photos, 4K 30 FPS video, and a 3-axis gimbal. It comes with dual batteries giving up to 60 minutes of flight time and an impressive 20,000 feet long-range transmission. This drone is clearly built for serious creators. The stabilized gimbal delivers smooth cinematic footage, while GPS features like Return to Home make it extremely safe to fly. Flight control feels premium and responsive, even at longer distances. Pros: 8K photo and stabilized 4K video. Long 60-minute flight time. 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage. FAA compliant under 249 grams. Cons: higher price than beginner drones, not ideal for absolute first-time flyers. If you want professional-level footage without a license hassle, this is hands down one of the best drones on Amazon in 2026. Number 2. NewUpgraded large-screen remote drone, best for beginners. This drone is designed for beginners, featuring 4K camera, large built-in screen remote, follow me and waypoint flight, and it's also under 250 grams. You even get a 32 gigabyte SD card included. The large screen remote is a game changer, no phone needed. It's super easy to fly, very stable, and packed with beginner-friendly safety features like auto return home. Pros: beginner-friendly controls, built-in screen remote, follow me and waypoint modes, SD card included. Cons: camera stabilization is basic, limited performance in strong wind. Perfect for first-time drone pilots who want an easy and fun flying experience. Number 3. Antigravity A1 Explorer, most innovative drone. The Antigravity A1 Explorer offers a unique 8K 360-degree camera, motion control, obstacle avoidance, and a 10-kilometer transmission range. It comes with 3 batteries and smart auto-edit features. This drone feels futuristic. The point-to-fly motion control makes flying incredibly intuitive, and the immersive 360 footage is perfect for creative storytelling and social media content. Pros: 8K 360-degree immersive camera, smart motion and gesture control, obstacle avoidance, auto-editing features. Cons: learning curve for new users. Battery life per flight is average. If you want something different and cutting edge, this drone delivers a unique flying experience. Number 4. GPS drone with screen remote, best all-in-one package. This drone includes a 7.22-inch screen remote, 2K EIS camera, night shot, AI tracking, and 64 minutes of total flight time with 2 batteries. It's compact, portable, and under 249 grams. The built-in screen and GPS tracking make this drone extremely convenient. While the camera isn't true 4K, the electronic stabilization keeps footage usable and smooth for casual creators. Pros: screen remote included, long 64-minute flight time, AI tracking and night shot, compact and portable. Cons: only 2K camera, no mechanical gimbal. A great value for money drone if you want features without extra accessories. Number 5. Skyrover S1 Mini Drone, best long-range drone. The S1 offers 4K 60 FPS video, 48 MP photos, 3-axis gimbal, and an insane 39,000 feet video transmission range. Flight time goes up to 40 minutes, and it's still under 249 grams. This drone is built for distance and smooth footage. The gimbal does an excellent job, and the video quality is impressive for its size, ideal for wide landscapes and travel shots. Pros: 4K 60 FPS video, 3-axis gimbal, extremely long transmission range, lightweight and portable. Cons: premium pricing, not beginner focused. A top choice for travel vloggers and aerial filmmakers who want long-range performance. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones on Amazon in 2026. Whether you're looking for professional footage, a beginner-friendly drone, or something innovative and long-range, there's a drone here for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.